You're not going to hug me, are you?
Do you want me to? I'll kiss you. I'll kiss you. I'll kiss you. All right, so you can put that in. I'll kiss you. Mitch O'Connell, the greatest artist in the world, self-proclaimed, came to us with an idea, and his idea was art destroyed for art's sake in a demolition derby. And I said, that is brilliant. Mitch O'Connell, let's make that happen. And Mitch O'Connell, I just want to say thank you.
Thank you. It was my pleasure. I've been thinking of this for 20 years, and thank goodness for John Wells and the Vintage Torque Fest to make these dreams come true. And I'm going to mist up a little bit, but that's okay.
I love it. All right.
So it should be a great show, and I was so happy to make the Frankenfink.
And who's driving the Frankenfink?
King.
That's
King.
right. When I saw that he was doing that, I was like, mine.
The world's greatest demolition derby driver meets the world's greatest artist.
Good to meet you, sir.
You also. And
Pleasure.
a whole slew of amazing cars are behind us.
Yes. So thank you for everybody coming out and watching this, and thank you, Mitch. Appreciate it.
Our pleasure.